for joining us today and for your willingness to chat a little bit about payday loans and particularly the credit union alternative to payday loans. So I really appreciate that. My understanding is that Navigant has an option, an alternative for the payday loans that we see going on right now. Tell us a little bit about it. I believe it's called Smart Start.
It is. Thank you, Walt. Yeah, we created this Smart Start product basically to meet a need. We were finding our members coming in having difficulty repaying their payday loans. So what we decided to do is to create this product to solve that problem. And what Smart Start is, it's a loan that we offer. It's up to $600. It's for members in good standing with direct deposit into an account with Navigant. Once we've established that direct deposit, we'll lend up to $600 and we'll allow for a 90-day repayment term as opposed to payday where the loans just keep rolling over. So we're giving our members the ability to actually pay these loans off.
So basically then the criteria is to take advantage of this, a person would have to be or become a member of Navigant Credit Union. They would have to have direct deposit into their account at Navigant. And there would be a period of time when I guess it is that you would evaluate their credit worthiness, is it, if I'm correct?
Yeah, I think one of the neat parts of this program is we don't pull credit on our members. So if you don't have a credit score, you're also eligible, and it helps you establish credit for future needs.
Nice.
The other piece is we will follow a very broad guideline, 4 to 6 weeks. We see the direct deposit established and start coming in. If it's a new member, if it's an existing member, it's already there.
Yeah.
And that's really the only criteria that we would use.
That's nice. So basically then, if a person was looking for an alternative to the payday loan as a member of Navigant, they then could borrow anywhere from $100 to $600 maximum.
That's exactly right. The maximum is $600. Many people will apply for less. It might be to refinance a payday loan that they currently have that they haven't been able to pay off. It may be to meet an emergency need. It might be a car repair. It might be to bridge a rent payment. And then we give that flexibility of a 90-day term to repay the loan, keeps the payment small, and it gets the loan paid in full at the end of 3 months.
Tell me, how was the program conceived? What kind of gave birth to it at Navigant?
Yeah, I think we're all about trying to improve the financial lives of our customers and our members. So we're very focused on what we see in the field, in our branches, and this came from members coming to us with a problem. They either couldn't repay their payday loan or they had an emergency need, and we didn't really have a product that would fit that. And here at Navigant, we don't focus on product profitability as much as we do meeting the needs of our members. And that's one of the neat parts about working for a credit union.
Exactly, and I think that's what's so outstanding about it, because when you look at it, you see signs for payday lenders in payday loans, all over the place. They're so, numerous. But looking for options, alternatives, where someone could go so that they could avoid all the pitfalls that come with a payday loan. Seeing a credit union, seeing Navigant doing it, and then understanding the reason why, just as you say, that the real focus here is not that you're looking to make profit off of this loan, but basically this is a way to help members who get in these scenarios where they need that type of assistance.
Absolutely. That's what drives us. That's what our mission is. And I think that being able to provide a longer term to repay the loan than a payday lender would allows folks to get out of this debt cycle and to be able to grow and meet more of their financial needs.
Exactly. Brian, tell me, are you finding that it's becoming a popular product at Navigant? Are folks taking advantage of it?
It is, and I think initially we thought that we would see more penetration in our emerging markets, but we're really seeing it across the board. We've got 15 locations. We've been around for 102 years, and we're seeing members come in and seek us out for this particular loan, in many cases because they know someone who's benefited from it, and it's been recommended to them as a way to avoid, as you said, the pitfalls of a payday loan.
Oh, God knows, and we,
Yeah.
we all know that, you know, in the payday loan scenario, and, you know, it's not that I'm looking to badmouth, you know, that as an option, but there's a lot of, you know, issues that are attached with it that really could get an individual into dire financial straits, particularly missing payments and the, you know, the extent of the interest rate that's being paid or required for it. It's like, my God, you need to have an alternative. So tell me once more, so for our audience, again, the criteria for being able to access Smart Start at Navigant. What do I, as a person, the criteria that I need in order to get it from you?
Absolutely. You need to be a current member in good standing, and you also need to have an account that's established with us, direct deposit of your pay coming in, and we need to see a history 4 to 6 weeks. Once we see that direct deposit hitting, you're eligible to apply for the loan. You can come into any one of our 15 locations in Northern Rhode Island or the East Bay, and we'll walk you through the entire process, up to $600, with a 90-day repayment structure that comes right out of your account.
And I think you also might have a little note on your website as well.
We do.
Navigant's
We
website
do. Our website is www.navigantcu.org, and you can go right onto our website. You can get information about the product, and then come in and visit one of our branches to apply.
Brian, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And again, thank you for Smart Start. Thank Navigant for Smart Start.
Thank you, Walt.